Welcome to Frumle tutorial on how to use the AI services on Frumle. So I have a couple of backend documentations that I've done on this account, and I want to use the AI services that we have here on Frumle. So what I'm going to do is select this particular one. This one has about 200 endpoints. It will be used to demonstrate the AI solutions we have here. Okay, so this is a project I migrated from Swagger to Frumle. Go watch the video on how to migrate from Swagger to Frumle. So how do we use the AI services here? We have a bunch of AI services. We have Magic Search, Magic Prompt, we have AI Analyze, and Ask AI. So I'm going to be demonstrating how to use all those AI services. The first one we're going to use is the get explanation for an endpoint, aka Ask AI. So there are a bunch of endpoints here, and as a front-end engineer, if I want to get insights on a particular endpoint, I would have to reach out to my back-end engineer colleague or guess the functionalities of the endpoint. What I can do instead is I can come to any of these endpoints, here for example, this particular endpoint, and then click on this AI explanation. It's going to load and then give us the explanation on that particular endpoint. So as you can see here, it gave us a full breakdown on what this endpoint is supposed to do. Everything you're supposed to pass to it, every field, every response, every path, every parameter, and if you are supposed to use authentication on the endpoints or not. So this is a very quick and easy way of just getting explanations for a particular endpoint. Now, what if we have specific questions on that endpoint? In this case, you have gotten the information, but you still want insights. So we can ask AI questions about these endpoints. Once you click on Ask AI Questions, a sidebar comes up where you can easily ask the AI to give you more information about endpoints. So I can ask a question like, when would we need to update a role in this project? It's going to do some thinking and then give an answer. So it gives a breakdown on every single instance where I will need to update a role, and this will give you more insights on how to use this particular endpoint. So you can clear the chat, or you can just click out of the chat. Those are the tools you can use to get more insights about a particular endpoint. So if you need to look for an endpoint in this particular documentation, we have over 200 endpoints here, and there are some documentations that have close to 500 or even 600 endpoints. You cannot go through the entire documentation to find the particular endpoints you're looking for. You can easily search here, search maybe wards, and then it's going to filter those endpoints for you. But what if you don't even know the endpoints in particular? What if I want to get the particular endpoints and I don't know which ones they are? So I can ask a question like, how do I get department and update the departments? So I'm going to leave these spelling mistakes here to also show that it also understands even if you misspell things or don't even add the proper punctuation marks. So press Ask AI. And then it gives all the information about the department. It shows you that you can get departments like this or get a particular department by ID and then use these endpoints to update. This is a very, very powerful AI tool we have here. We call it Magic Search. So this is a proprietary technology that we built using AI to be able to go through your entire code base, get insights about a particular endpoint, and then give you correct information based on your prompt. So alongside the Magic Search, we also have Magic Prompt. Magic Prompt is a tool for front-end engineers. Right now, modern front-end engineers use AI 60% of the time while writing front-end. They use tools like Cursor, Anti-Gravity, Claude Code, Codex, etc. And you might prompt the AI 60% of the time during the day. So one thing that makes people not be able to use this AI efficiently is their lack of prompting skills. There's even a new course in computer engineering called prompt engineering. People sometimes spend weeks learning how to prompt, but with Magic Prompt, you can be able to get those prompts instantly and just paste it into your AI agent and integrate these endpoints in there. So you can easily just click Magic Prompt, choose the front-end framework you're going to use. Let's just say TypeScript. And then start Magic Prompts. And it gave me a prompt I can easily just paste in my AI text editor or my AI agents, and then it will actually implement and integrate these particular sets of endpoints for me. So this is Magic Search and Magic Prompt. So in conclusion, these are the several AI tools we have on Frumle, and this can help you write code more efficiently. Thank you for joining me in this session. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.